All of the walls in this home were blown down Monday night during the tornado. 18-year-old Daniel Parks says he took shelter right here where the bathroom used to stand. He says when the tornado was over, the only things standing were the 3 walls surrounding him.
I was thinking that God will get me through this, and if not, I'll be in heaven.
Daniel Parks says he was watching TV when his dad called and told him to get in the hallway and put a blanket over his head.
Literally right before my cousin Aaron came in and told me to get in the bathroom.
Parks says he and his cousin were holding on to each other and to the toilet. He says one wall fell on him and gashed his cousin's knee, but they stayed safe.
I heard a lot of glass breaking and wind blowing against the walls of the bathroom.
And then when it was all over,
The bathroom was the only thing standing
Parks says he never felt afraid.
because I have faith in God. When my mom got there, she started crying and hugged me. And I told her it was okay.
About 100 yards away, Parks' neighbor, Wilson Rudd, was trapped in his kitchen where he took cover with his wife and dog.
Everything came down on top of us. We were pinned to the floor. Neighbors had to come dig us out.
Rudd says one of his good friends went next door and came back with some of the Parks family to help.
When we heard them talking, we started hollering so they knew we was in there. Good Lord, it's the only thing that could have possibly saved us in that house with that house down on top of us.
The Parks and the Rudds will be rebuilding on their same land.
It makes me feel safe that God was there with me.
Sheriff Richardson asks volunteers to stop at the Crossway Church on Broadway in Sulphur to sign in before heading out to help. In Murray County, Amy Jensen, News 12.